Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about Web ADI Excel settings. So as you know, like we have a Web ADI functionality in GL, fixed research, project accounting, and a couple of other modules. So in order for a Web ADI to be downloaded from Oracle and upload successfully, you need to ensure that couple of Excel settings needs to be set in a particular way. Otherwise, whenever you download your WebADI, you will get a fatal VB error message. In order to avoid that error message, you need to ensure that couple of Excel settings needs to be set. Now, in this video, I'll show you what are those settings. So, in my current laptop, I have an Excel Office 365 version, and I'm on Windows, and I'm using IE11. So these settings will be slightly vary if you are on a different operating system, which is a Mac, and it could be slightly different if you are in a different browser. Okay, so, but in the current video, I'll be focusing on Internet Explorer with Windows. So the first thing is whenever you download, you generally go to your general ledger responsibility and then click on journals and then launch journal wizard. That is a one way of downloading the WebAD template, and other option would be you can directly go to your desktop integration responsibility, click on create document. Whenever you click on the create document, it will ask you to select the integrator. So I'm just selecting general ledger journals and then select your Excel version. So my Excel version is Office 365. So I'm just selecting a closest Excel version. If your Excel version is not available, just try to select your closest Excel version. So I'm selecting Excel 2016 and then select the layout. So any layout, maybe I'm just selecting foreign actuals multiple and then click on create. So as soon as you click on create, it will try to download. So it's better do not save directly. Try to open that and try to download the WebADI. So in my case, as all Excel settings are set properly, I will be able to download the WebADI successfully. See here, I am able to download the WebADI successfully. But now I will show you what are those Excel settings. So first thing is click on File, Options. As I said again, this navigation will be slightly different if you are using a different Excel version. Options and then add-ins. Sorry, Trust Center, Trust Center settings, and then macro settings. Ensure that trust access to VBA project object model. This is checked, and you should also ensure that your macro setting should be enable all macros. These are very important. If you do not take care of these two, then definitely you will get a VB error message whenever you are actually downloading the WebADA. And having said that, even though once you set this, there are some scenarios wherein you will still get a fatal VB error message. So in those cases, you can go to protected view and uncheck these three checkboxes. Enable protected view for files originating from internet, enable protected view for files located in potentially unsafe location, and the last one. Again, this is not mandatory with that. If the other two options did not work, continue unchecking these checkboxes. And if even this doesn't work, what you need to do is you should also do one more step in your Internet Explorer. Click on settings, internet options, security, select internet, custom level, scroll down, go to a section called scripting. Okay, ensure that you enable everything. In my case, even though I have disabled, it worked. But if it doesn't work in your case, you should ensure that you need to enable everything under your scripting. Okay, once you do these things, close your browser, close your all your browser sessions, all your Excel sessions, and then also try to clear cache and cookies. Click on this delete and this, check everything and click on this delete, which will clear all your cache and cookies, and then reopen your browser and then try again. So this is how you set up your Excel settings, through which you will be able to download your Webedia, whether it could be GL or fixed assets or project accounting or any other module. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. For interesting videos on Oracle financials, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.